You can change that over time, okay? But try to get that kind of shape, not like that. Imagine, put your hand this way. Imagine you have a little bit of water in your palm. Not a lot of water, and don't let the water run out, okay? You have a little bit of water in your palm, and it creates this curve, and that arch or that curve is structurally stronger. If you're doing this and your fingers are going back, you're gonna hurt yourself. Okay? But you're so flexible, it's gonna be hard for you to do. It's gonna take practice.
Breathe in.
So you're going too fast, first of all, and you're part of the problem is that she's fighting it, and you have to help her not fight it. Okay? So no, you're fine. It's not your responsibility. Okay, breathe in. No, breathe in. Breathe out. So follow her rhythm. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And do the stroke slower. If you're doing too fast, they'll fight it. Okay? Does that make sense?